Welcome to my channel Kitchen Mania by Preeti. Hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself. Please take all the precautions and stay safe. So it's the 5th day of Navratri and usually on the 5th or 6th day we start craving for something chatpata. So I'm back with a new recipe. We are making a falahari chaat over here, for which we will roast the peanuts first and then move to the other ingredients slowly. बना रहे हैं साबूदाने की एक डिफरेंट सी रेसिपी। 9 डेज का फास्ट है और हम यूजुअल साबूदाना खाकर कभी कभी हो जाते हैं बोर, तो एक ट्विस्ट देते हैं साबूदाने को। यहाँ पर मैंने लिया है 1 बोल साबूदाने का, which is sago, 1 bowl of sago. This is raw and I'm going to grind it the same way. Half bowl of curd, it is fresh curd. 1 bowl of homemade paneer. 1 small capsicum. 1 bowl of roasted peanuts. I have dry roasted it. 3 to 4 spoons of ghee for the roast, and I have also taken potato, ginger, lemon and green chilies for the time. Having a toddler around, I always opt for easy and quick options, so I've grinded the sago here. I've grated the potatoes, roughly chopped the green chilies and ginger and coriander. We already have the grated capsicum here, and now we are all set to start. What we have to do is take a mixing bowl and add the grinded sago to it completely. It's raw, so we have to absorb it, soak it for some time in the curd. So mix the curd with it. It will give a good flavor. After adding the curd to the sago, add upon the capsicum. Add upon chopped green chilies, coriander and ginger to it. Also add the grated potatoes and then we will give a good mix to it. After adding all the ingredients, let's all mix it well, and let us add salt also at this stage so that it gets well blended, and even if it's losing water, it's absorbed quite well. To make the sabudana softer, we can add half a glass of water here and mix it well. Adding water and keeping it soaked for 1 hour will soften the sabudana and will also help in getting all the flavors infused well with the blend. You can see it's a bit watery, but this will absorb with 1 hour time. And now we have to add half a bowl of crumbled paneer to it. Also add half a bowl of roasted and crushed peanuts. And let's mix this well for soaking it for an hour's time under the lid. While mixing, ensure the paneer is crumbled well and the entire blend is mixed absolutely well. Let's soak it. 1 hour is over and now we'll unlid it. Now the sabudana has also become softer. And now this batter is ready to mold it to the tikkis. Let's squeeze half a lemon to this. You can skip this option if you're not very keen on making it sour. Just remove the seeds of it. Remove the seeds and mix this again. So all that you have to do is just take this to your hand. You can see the sabudana is softened and it has paneer, it has the peanuts. Just keep rolling it and lightly press with hands, and that's it. This is how you have to make all the others. Now that we have molded all of it to tikkis, we've preheated the tawa here. We'll pour some ghee and we will brush this up. Let's brush this well. And now we'll place the tikkis here one by one. So now that we have placed all the tikkis here, we will brush upon some more ghee. So we will just lid it on and we will cook this for 3 to 4 minutes from one side, and then we will flip and cook again. You can see this looks okay from one side and we have flipped it. Similarly, we'll flip all the other ones. आप इसे प्लीज़ cautiously करें because this is soft enough. See, such a lovely golden color has come. Similarly, just flip all of this cautiously. So you can see what a lovely color has come, and it is crispy also from one side. Another 3 to 4 minutes and we'll take these off. These are done. Sabudana is also cooked. So this white thing which you can see here is crumbled paneer which we have put, and the peanuts. We've used only half of paneer and half of peanuts because the rest of it we are going to use it in the surprise recipe which will follow in some time. यहाँ पर हम बना रहे हैं हमारी रिफ्रेशिंग सी चटनी। यहाँ पर मैंने लिया है रॉ मैंगो विच इज़ हाफ राइप्ड, सो इट विल गिव अ खट्टा मीठा टेस्ट। इसमें हमने ऐड किया है जीरा पाउडर और सेंधा नमक, क्योंकि हम ये फास्ट वाली चटनी बना रहे हैं। ढेर सारा हरा धनिया एंड ग्रीन चिली अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट प्रेफरेंस, और इट्स ऑप्शनल। तो चलिए अब हम इसे चर्न करते हैं। एंड यहाँ पर आवर चटनी इज़ गेटिंग रेडी एंड यहाँ पर हमारी टिक्कीज आर गेटिंग रेडी। So let's start. So let's give a little crunch to our recipe by frying these potato crispies in minimal oil. These are made by my mom, so these are dedicated to her. Thank you, Mom. These are as fresh, crispy and crunchy as you gave me few months back. Thank you so much. So we will fry these and just absorb the excess oil in a paper towel or a napkin. You can see how beautiful it is. बस इस पर एक धनिया पत्ता डाल दीजिए, थोड़ा सा इस पर आप स्प्रिंकल कर सकते हैं जो हमने पीनट्स का पाउडर किया था, and you're good to go. Wonderful. इन केस हमारा प्लान बदल गया और हम चाहते हैं इसकी चाट बनाना, तो हम यहाँ पर डाल देते हैं एक प्लेट में 2 टिक्की। अब इस पर डाल दीजिए आप हरी वाली चटनी। It looks scrumptious, isn't it? With the goodness of paneer, peanuts, sabudana, capsicum and potatoes. Now let's add some crumbled paneer over it for the garnish, which will make it more healthier too, and some crushed roasted peanuts to add the crunch. Some fried potato crispies to make it even more crunchier, munchier and interesting. तो देखा आपने, हमारा चाट यहाँ पर रेडी है। थोड़ा सा मूंगफली और डाल देते हैं, और किसी को हरी मिर्च पसंद है तो आप साथ में हरी मिर्च भी सर्व कर सकते हैं। बस हो गई हमारी फलाहारी चाट रेडी। और टॉप करना चाहें तो थोड़े से आलू के जो हमने कुरमुरे बनाए हैं उसे क्रश करके डाल दीजिए। अमेजिंग। चाहे तो ऐसे ही खाइए चटनी के साथ, या फिर खाइए इसका फलाहारी चाट। If you've liked my recipe, please hit like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I put a new recipe, you get notified. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and for detailed recipe, please check the description box. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.